Hello everyone! We are the Food Explorer family and today we decided to make a vlog and show you how we cook Persian traditional kebab. Watch till the end to show you how we cook this delicious dish. First of all, we grate 2 onions. Then we squeeze the grated onions to extract their juice. We use either ground beef or ground lamb, and the meat should have a bit of fat. Then we add the grated onions to the meat. And we add salt, black pepper and turmeric to the meat and mix it. And then we work the meat with our hand. And the kneading should continue for 10 minutes so that the meat becomes sticky. The meat that we use for this dish must be ground twice because it must have a soft texture. Now the mixture is ready. Now we need to leave the mixture for 20 minutes in the fridge. After 20 minutes, we pick up the mixture from the fridge. Now we need some tomatoes, a little water to make our hands sticky and some skewers for grilling. In Iran, people eat this dish with rice. That's why we're cooking rice as well. Now it's time to grill the skewers on fire. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel in order to support us. And don't forget to write in the comment section what you think about this video and about this dish. We'd be happy to hear from you.